Hello, good morning students. Today now we will keep continued exercise 4. Figure is given PQ parallel ST, angle PQR 110 and angle RST 130. Find angle QRS. Okay. Now from this figure we have find angle QRS. So how to find this figure, find the answer from this figure? One of the extra ray AU, RU ray parallel to ST we have construct such that angle RST plus angle SRT equal to 180. Why it is 180? Because same side interior angle by the transversal SR. Okay, so sum of the interior angle is 180 degree. So put the value 130 degree plus SRU (130 degree) plus angle SRU equal to 180 degree. Angle SRU equal to 180 degree, exposing 130 degree to right side, so it will be negative. So 180 minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. Give it result number 1. Okay, which angle we have find? SRU. Okay, SRU angle we have find. Now we know that angle QRU and angle angle QRS and angle SRU equal to 110 degree. Why this addition 110 degree? Because PQR and QRU is the alternate angle. So alternate angle must be equal. Okay, therefore angle QRS plus SRU we know that 50 equal to 110 degree. Therefore angle QRS equal to 110 degree. 50 degree exposing to the right side, it will be minus. So angle QRS equal to 60 degree. Okay, so in this way we can find the given angle from the figure. Okay, sum of the angle is given and few angle we have find from the given figure. So it is important sum for the exam also. Okay, now question 5. It is also in figure. If AB parallel CD, you can see in figure AB parallel CD, angle APQ equal to 50 degree, angle PRD equal to 127 degree, then find the value of X and Y. From this figure we have find the value of X and Y, which is indicated in triangle form in inside the triangle X and Y. Okay, now see what will be the value of X. So we know that angle APQ equal to 50 degree and its alternate angle QR is its alternate angle. So alternate angle will be same. Therefore, x equal to 50 degree. Directly from the figure, we can find the value of x equal to 50 degree because it is alternate angle of 50 degree. Alternate angle are always equal. Okay, so first value we have find x. Now angle APQ, see in figure, plus y equal to PRD. Which type of angle they are? They are also alternate angle by the transversal PR. Okay, so 50 plus y equal to 127 degree. 50 degree plus y equal to 127 degree. Therefore, y equal to 127 degree minus 50. Why minus 50? 50 degree exposing to the right side, so it will be negative. So minus in your rough page 127 degree minus 50 degree equal to 77 degree. Okay, 7 minus 0 7 and 12 minus 5 7. So required answer y equal to 77 degree. Okay, so in this way from this figure we can find the value of x and y. What care we have must take? We must know alternate angle, interior angle and whatever by the transversal. Okay, so in this way we have solved question 4 and question 5. Now we are going to solve question 6. It is also in figure. Okay, first read the question carefully. In figure, PQ and RS are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. Okay, at your home you can make this practice. If there are two mirror, you can put front of to each other and obtain the mirror image from two mirror. Which type of mirror, which type of image we obtain? It is draw in figure, already draw in figure. So there are two mirrors placed parallel to each other. Which two mirrors? PQ and RS. An incident ray AB strikes the mirror PQ at B. The reflected ray moves along the path BC and strikes the mirror RS at C and again reflects back along CD. Prove that AB parallel CD. This is one type of geometrical practical problem, so we can call it rider. In 10th standard we can call it new word, that is rider. Rider means geometrical proof, that we can prove. That type of question, practical problem, is called rider. Okay, so question 6 we have solved now. Here is similar question is also given. If you want to make practice in your notebook, you can do it, but for the exam view it is not important. Okay, for your practice you can do similar question, it is extra question. But according to our textbook, figure is given PQ and RS. Okay, two mirrors are placed parallel to each other. AB ray, incident ray, AB ray, incident ray, and now we can draw another ray BC. Okay, and we can construct BC it is given in textbook, but another, draw ray BL perpendicular PQ. Okay, draw BL perpendicular PQ and ray CM perpendicular RS. In this way, we have construct two more rays, that is perpendicular and parallel to each other. Okay, now we are going to write its proof from the given figure. See, first extra figure I have draw under the given figure. Okay, that you have draw in your notebook. Extra figure also, such that you can understand all the rays and all the parallel rays, perpendicular rays. Okay, now proof. BL perpendicular PQ, you can see in figure. CM perpendicular RS and PQ parallel RS. This all data is given in your textbook. Okay, therefore we can say that BL parallel CM. See in figure, yes or no? Okay, yes, BL parallel CM. Now we have obtained alternate angle. See, angle LBC equal to angle MCB. See in figure, LBC equal to MCB. They are alternate angle. Okay, because transversal BC. Therefore ABL, okay, ABL equal to LBC. ABL equal to LBC because it is the reflection. Angle of incident and angle of reflection are always equal. Okay, because here two mirror is given, therefore it is equal. So therefore angle MCB equal to angle MCD. Same thing for the ray B and for the ray CD. Now more thing. From 1, 2 and 3, what we will get? Angle ABL equal to angle MCD. And from 1 and 4, we get angle LBC plus angle ABL equal to angle MCB plus angle MCD. Okay? Therefore, angle LBC plus ABL equal to what we will obtain? Angle ABC, and MCB plus angle MCD equal to which angle we will obtain? Angle BCD. Okay, so in this way we can prove that given result. And so AB parallel CD, because these form a pair of equal alternate interior angles, therefore AB parallel CD. Similar question is given if you want to draw or want to solve. Okay, it is extra question, so need not